Hello my friends, welcome back to Atmaflow. Today I want to talk about my experience with the Isha Kriya meditation by Sadhguru. Actually, a really great way to experience you're not this material body, but that you're a spiritual being within this body. The practice is very simple. During the inhalation, you inhale, and then you tell yourself, or you listen to the audio tape by Sadhguru, you're not the body. Then you exhale, and you're not even the mind. Inhale, you're not that body, you're not even the mind. You are not the body, you're not even the mind. The second part is 7 times resonate the sound of ah. What is very opening up all the energy channels. Also the letter A stands for God. So with the sound you can actually connect with the divine. And then the end of the practice you sit for a couple of minutes, focus on the third eye, the point between the eyebrows, and your head slightly tilted up. And then you meditate, and whatever thoughts, emotions, feelings are coming, you let go of them and you always keep on focusing at the point between the eyebrows. What is also very interesting is when you close your eyes and you look 15 to 20 degrees a bit upward, it actually brings you in the alpha state of mind. During the day, we are usually in the beta frequency. So in meditation, you tap into the alpha states of mind, that will help you to go even deeper. And Sadhguru recommends to practice Isha Kriya meditation for 48 days, twice a day for 12 minutes. I have my own spiritual practice, my own sadhana, every day from 4 in the morning till 9 a.m. So my schedule is very tight. I can't fit something new into it. But I tried for a few times to see how it feels and what is happening inside of me. And to really meditate about not being the body and not even being the mind brings you to another conclusion. So if you're not the body, if you're not the mind, who are you? And my conclusion is that this Isha Kriya meditation can really help you to understand who you really are, that you're a spiritual being within this body. In my own spiritual practice, I remember this point every day. Also when I teach Pranayama or breathwork, I always guide my students after the session through a short meditation. And I always make sure that you really feel and realize they are actually the consciousness within, that they are not the body and not the mind. In Sanskrit we say Sat, Chit, Ananda. Sat means eternal. Never be born, you will never die. You will be always there in the present moment. Chit, full of knowledge, wisdom, consciousness, awareness. What is just covered from I and mine, from the false ego identification, what leads to avidya, ignorance. And then we have Ananda, what means bliss, joy, happiness. There's actually no translation for this word. The best word probably would be spiritual ecstasy. And this is described as the qualities of the soul. You're not the body, you're not the mind, but you're a spiritual being having a bodily experience, eternal, full of knowledge and full of bliss. So please try out the Isha Kriya meditation for yourself, or find any other meditation what will help you to understand you're not the body, you're not the mind, but your spiritual soul. I already uploaded various videos about pranayama and breathwork, and at the end of each of these videos I will guide you to a short meditation exercise where you can access the understanding and the realization who you really are. Thank you so much for watching. Please help us to reach more people like you by hitting the subscribe button. Give us a like, that we can all be more healthy, happy and energized. Namaste. If you liked the video, you will also enjoy this one.